मूलाधार स्वाधिष्ठान मणिपुर अनाहत विशुद्धि आज्ञा. This is the Bhrumad. This is Sahasrar. Current is coming into the medulla. From there it is distributed and going to the Sahasrar and going downward. But when we practice and we work with the power of mind and intelligence, then we realize two kinds of force. Because of these two currents, when we realize up and down, it means limitations. When we feel limitations, then we do mistake. Therefore, when you practice Kriya Yoga meditation, then third current is awakened, which is called Sushumna. In order to become one with God, you have to practice initiation steps. Spirituality is not mystical. This is a science. Therefore, without practicing initiation, you cannot control your mind and senses. You cannot control your intelligence. Therefore, we should be ever from the mental and intellectual dialogues. We should directly get tuned with this Sushumna, where you will find inside intuition is there, the problem is solved. The most important thing we should realize that we are human being. If we do any mistake, and we are doing mistake by using our power of mind and intelligence. Animals, plants, they do not commit any mistake. But we human beings are having freedom. Because of the freedom, we can suicide, we can jump from the top of the mountain, we can jump in the ocean, or we can practice science of truth and non-violence to be one with the Mahatar Babaji, who is still in the same physical body. This freedom we have it. Therefore we create only problem among ourselves and problems for all animals and plants. Now you can say that animals are creating problem to animals. You will never find. Tiger, lion, if they are not hungry, animals are coming and going, they don't attack. But when we are not hungry, with the lust we eat. You will find no any animal is involved in any activity of their sense organs, organ of actions, everything just works with the power of instinct. And we work with the power of intelligence, with power of mind, as well as when we learn this spiritual science, then we work with the power of intuition. Because of the power of mind and intelligence, we do mistake all the time. Therefore, our intelligence, buddhi and mind should be connected with the power which is called intuition. What is the meaning of intuition? In means within. Tuition means study. Try to learn within everything. And try to learn outside, this is called mental activities, intellectual activities. Always we do lot of work and we get very little. When you go inside and try to get tuition from inside, in short span of time, you will get everything what Mahatar Baba promises to Lahiri Mahasaya. The Kriya Yoga what is given to Lahiri Mahasaya, it is such powerful Kriya that if you practice 100 round practice, it takes 50 minutes and gives time of 100 years. What does it mean, 100 years time? If you live as a good person, very good person, live 100 years, then you will understand something. That understanding you will get in 50 minutes of the practice. And how much time we need to realize this, that we are immortal, there is no mortality, there is no death. We need 1 million years. 1 million years of diseaseless time. If you are not sick, then calculate that time where there is no sickness, no illness, accumulate 1 million years. 1 million years means this is 10 lakh, 10 lakhs. This is 1 million years. We want so many years, diseaseless years, absence of illness, sickness. Then we realize this truth. There is no death. There exists only non-violence. When you practice Kriya Yoga meditation 50 minutes per day, then we are getting 100 years. Let us decide how many years we need to realize the ultimate truth. Divide by 100 because per day we are getting 100 years. Then how many days? 10,000 days. Then how many years? Try to divide by 365. Let us, in order to have easy calculation, divide by 400. Again 20 gone. And 25 years. Therefore, 25 years was given for education in ancient human civilization, which is called Brahmacharya Ashram. In that 25 years, we reached to the height of self-realization that we can create our own existence. Not only ourselves, we can create plant, animal, whatever we want. Therefore, this 50 years time was called Brahmacharya Ashram. Brahmacharya means working like Brahma. How Brahma works? Face front, face right, face left, face back, means full awareness. Presence of awareness all the time. Then we will not do mistake. What kind of awareness? To realize there exists only truth and non-violence. Therefore, we human beings are only creating problem for us, for animals, for plants, for mountain, for ocean, for lake. Therefore, Kriya Yoga science is meant for us. And when you practice it, I am talking now initiation steps. Diksha Kriya. This is called the medulla. This is called the downward spinal cord area. Here you will find Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Agya. This is the Bhrumad. This is Sahasrara. Current is coming into the medulla. From there it is distributed and going to the Sahasrara and going downward. But when we practice, when we work with the power of mind and intelligence, then we realize two kinds of force. That two kinds of force, what we see, we can make a diagram like that. Now you see, this is going. Then next is going opposite direction. Because of these two currents, when we realize up and down, it means limitations. When we feel limitations, then we do mistake. We cannot live without mistake because we are guided by mind and intelligence. Therefore, when you practice Kriya Yoga meditation, then third current is awakened, which is called Sushumna. Now when Sushumna is going up, you will find from here, Sushumna is up and down. And these two currents are crossing each other. In the same way, when Sushumna is coming here, from here you will find, from Vishuddhi up, it is going back. This mouth is closed. But same Sushumna is going from the Bhrumad, going up, here mouth is open. Therefore, when you do mistake in initiation, when you put your mind moving from here to here, then here, if somebody is doing mistake putting mind from here to here, then they leave body without control. Then what we have to do, we have to practice as we are moving mentally with the sense organ, going from here to here, then Bhrumad, then stop here. Don't go anywhere. Then slowly we accumulate the power and love of God, then automatically it goes more and more here. Then from here, power is spreading. This power, try to open this. When it is open, then we get knowledge how to depart willingly, how to take birth willingly. Without that, it is not possible. Therefore, when you practice, many do mistake, they go from backside also. Or they meditate from here. Like this is the medulla, this is the Bhrumad. Many persons think, let us go here, Sahasrara. We should not do it. Only practice from here to here, then return back. Slowly we will find big polarization. Then we accumulate a lot of consciousness. That consciousness travels with the high intensity and it reaches the Sushumna which is closed, then it opens. When it is closed, then it opens. When it opens, then we get complete oneness with God, then we realize we are omnipresent. This is the scientific technique, like surgery, like orthopedic surgery, like a heart surgery, like any kind of things, like making satellite, or computer, or car. This is a science. Spirituality is not mystical. This is a science. Therefore, without practicing initiation, you cannot control your mind and senses. You cannot control your intelligence. Intelligence will put a wrong logic to prove that you are bad. Therefore, we should be ever from the mental and intellectual dialogues. We should directly get tuned with this Sushumna, where you will find inside intuition is there, the problem is solved. Try to do the best, donate your all property, try to give food everybody, distribute blankets, become businessman, give money to everybody. You are not going to be realized master. By donating blanket or money or your property, you cannot become surgeon. You have to study surgery. You cannot become engineer. Okay, I am great person. I am big businessman. I am donating 1,000 blankets every day. I am feeding 100,000 people every day. I am arranging the free marriage for all persons who are poor. Then I am going to become surgeon? No. In order to become surgeon or engineer, you have to learn that technology. In the same way, in order to become one with God, you have to practice initiation steps. But in spirituality, what happens? Oh, Swamiji is very great, he is having Bhandara. You know, every day 10,000 persons are eating there. He is very great, he distributed blanket to all poor. Oh, Swamiji, you are very great. He is not doing his job. If surgeon will distribute blanket, will distribute food, will not do surgery, there will be chaos. Therefore remember it. Do not be misguided. Practice Kriya Yoga sincerely. How much food you need, how much place you need, how many friends you will need, all will come automatically. Is it not an example? I was single person in my family. You started practicing. Now you are my nearest and dearest. I never been, please come and become my nearest and dearest. I never did it. You came and who sent? My father, great master. He had taken full responsibility how to charge this earth with the Kriya Yoga. He is getting all power from the masters. Therefore remember it. I request all of you, you are so great you do not know, because you are thinking with the help of mind and reasoning. Therefore we are not able to understand our real nature. Then how to awaken this intuition? When you start awakening it, one by one you start experiencing different changes. Then mind, through mental analysis, intellectual analysis, you will get confusion. When you practice sincerely and eat the food what you have to eat, they will start passing stools like newborn baby, like 6-month-old baby. Oh, I have bad stomach, bad bowels movement. Who told it? From where you got this research? Because of mental, intellectual analysis. अच्छी तरह से याद रखिए कि जब तक दीक्षा वाली क्रिया नहीं करेंगे तब तक मन और बुद्धि पर अधिकार नहीं होगा, और मन और बुद्धि हमेशा कंफ्यूज करेंगे। मालिका बहुत अच्छा खाना खाने लगे, जो खाना चाहिए, खूब ध्यान करने लगे, पता चला आपका पेट ऐसा हो गया जैसे 6 महीने बच्चे का होता है, 2-2 घंटे पर आपको लैट्रिन हो रही है, कभी पतली, कभी पीली, कभी हरी, कभी नीली। ये तो बड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया। कहाँ सोच लिया आपने, कहाँ से रिसर्च कर लिया? जब बच्चा पैदा हुआ था तो फिर महा बीमार था वो, था 2-2 घंटे पर सब करता था ये। क्योंकि मन और बुद्धि हमारे वश में नहीं है, जो कुछ मन बुद्धि सोचता है उसी पैरामीटर में नापता है हमारी हेल्थ कहाँ है, हमारी शांति कहाँ, और गलत हो जाता है। इसे दीक्षा वाली क्रिया करके जब इंट्यूशन जगेगा तब आपको डर नहीं लगेगी। क्या समझते कि हमें सब बात करते हैं, हम अपनी बताएं कैसा कैसा होता है हमें। ताजा पर अभ्यास बंद कर देंगे आज ही। मैं उठ जाता हूँ 1 बजे, डॉक्टर कहेंगे इंसोम्निया है। एक कहते हैं कि आपको तो निद्रा है, हम कहें बहुत सही कर रहे हैं, हमें तो निद्रा है, नींद नहीं आती, करूं क्या मैं। लोग व्याख्या करते हैं कि 6 घंटा सोना चाहिए, 4 घंटा सोना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं है। आप कब सोएंगे, कितना सोएंगे, दिन भर कैसे जीवन व्यतीत किए हैं, दिन और रात्रि कैसे रहते हैं, वो निर्भर करेगा कितने घंटे सोएंगे आप। अगर क्रिया के सिद्धांत में रहते हैं, इसके अनुसार खाना खाते, गारंटी 3 घंटा 4 घंटा ज़्यादा नहीं सो सकते। ये गारंटी है। तो कोई ये मिस्टिकल नहीं है, कोई चमत्कार नहीं है। परमहंस योगानंद 3 घंटा ज़्यादा सोए नहीं कभी अमेरिका में, मैक्सिमम 3 घंटा सोए हो। तो क्या इंसोम्निया के मरीज थे क्या? ऐसा नहीं होता है। अभी आप आज ही हैं, खूब जम करके रसगुल्ला मिठाई खा लीजिए, पूरी कचौड़ी खा लीजिए, उसके बाद देखिए कितना सोते हैं। और क्रिया के सिद्धांत के अनुसार खाना खाइए, तब देखिए कितना सोते हैं। दिस इज फॉर दिस, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू प्रैक्टिस। आंखें हम बंद कर ली। लेट अस क्लोज आवर आईज। Within head to toes, there is a hidden infinite treasure, infinite amount of riches, which is called intuition, which is called voice of God. Because of this, head to toes is the most important things at nearest of near. आंख बंद रखते हुए सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक स्वरूप में एकाग्रता बढ़ाएं। इसी में परम धन छिपा हुआ है। उस परम धन को प्रभु की शक्ति कहते हैं, प्रभु का ज्ञान कहते हैं, प्रभु में विद्यमान परम शांति परम आनंद कहते हैं, उसी को अमृत कहते हैं। तो सिर से लेकर के पैर की अंगुली तक स्वरूप में एकाग्रता बढ़ाते जाएं। ये निकटतम वह क्षेत्र है जिसमें परम धन भरा हुआ है। प्रेम की शक्ति से हम इस धन को प्रकट कर लेते हैं। With the love of God, we awaken this hidden riches. What is the love of God? When you accept head to toes is visible presence of God, then love of God is explained. परमात्मा का प्रेम है क्या? परब्रह्म स्वयं सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक इस रूप में प्रकट हो रहे हैं। इसको स्वीकार करना और अपने अस्तित्व में एकाग्रता बढ़ाना, इस अनुभूति को इस तरह से प्रेम करना कि निराकार प्रभु का साकार रूप है। इसी भावना, विचार और धारणा को प्रभु का प्रेम कहते हैं। दोनों हथेली को सिर के पीछे रखें। प्लेस बोथ palm on the posterior surface of head. Feel a head, face, neck, arms, back, chest, abdomen, and both legs. Presence of head to toes, changes within we feel, is a visible presence of formless omnipresence God. This idea, thought and concept represent love of God. प्रभु का प्रेम यही है कि इतने महान हैं, इतने ज्ञानी हैं, वही सब रूपों में प्रकट हो रहे हैं। This is the love of God. He is having all knowledge and power. He is manifesting in the form of this cosmos. Raise arms up again. हाथों को ऊपर की तरफ उठाएं। Clench fist, open palm alternately. मुट्ठी बंद करें, खोलें। Move arms up and down. हाथों को ऊपर नीचे करें। Fold arms, open arms alternately. हाथों को मोड़ें और फैलाएं। श्वास में एकाग्रता बनाए रखें। Feel presence of breath. भ्रूमध्य कहाँ है? मन को भ्रूमध्य पर एकाग्र करें। Place concentration of mind on भ्रूमध्य. Concentration of mind on space around forehead. आंख बंद रखते हुए माथे के सामने क्षेत्र में एकाग्रता बढ़ाते जाएं। सिर, चेहरा, गला, दोनों हाथ, पीठ, सीना और पेट, कमर से पैर की अंगुली तक दोनों पैर, पैर की अंगुली से सिर तक स्वरूप में एकाग्रता बढ़ाते जाएं। Increase intensity of concentration on each and every part from tip of the nails of the toes to top of the head. whatever we realize is presence of God in visible form. Formless omnipresence is Spirit. God is a manifesting in this unique form, head to toes, breath, and the vision radiations we observe in the space around forehead. फिर दोनों हथेली को सिर के पीछे रखें. Again place both palms on the posterior surface of it. Tense or relax or right leg, left leg alternately with this thought. Formless omnipresence is Spirit is manifesting in this unique form. Right leg, left leg changes within we feel. Now extend both legs in front. दोनों पैरों को सामने की तरफ फैलाएं. पैर की अंगुलियों को आगे पीछे मोड़ें. Turn the toes of the feet forward, backward. पैर के पंजों को आगे पीछे मोड़ें. Turn both feet forward, backward. पैर की अंगुली से सिर तक हम जो भी अनुभव कर रहे हैं, श्वास की अनुभूति, माथे के सामने सूक्ष्म दृश्य की अनुभूति, ये सब कुछ निराकार परब्रह्म की उपस्थिति है. यही स्वीकार कर लेना ही परमात्मा के प्रेम को पकड़ना है. To accept this, that vibration, vision in the space around forehead and breath, head to toes changes within we feel. When we accept this, that Nirakar, Parabram, formless God is manifesting in this form, holding this idea, thought and concept is called oneness with love of God. फिर हाथों को ऊपर उठाएं. अगेन रेज आर्म्स अप. दोनों हाथ के सहारे हम कमर से लेकर के पैर की अंगुली तक स्वरूप में एकाग्रता बढ़ाएं. With the help of both palms, try to feel lower back, starting from the hip up to the tip of the nails of the toes. Try to feel it more and more. Head to toes changes within. Whatever we realize is presence of God in this unique way. This idea, thought and concept is love of God. सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक स्वरूप में एकाग्रता बढ़ाते जाए. हम जो भी अनुभूति कर रहे हैं सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक, इसमें हम और एकाग्र हो जाएं, अनुभव करते रहें. जितने प्रकार की अनुभूतियां हो रही हैं, निराकार परब्रह्म की अलौकिक उपस्थिति है. यही भावना, विचार और धारणा प्रभु का प्रेम है. प्रभु के प्रेम से जुड़े रहें. अंतर्धन जो सुसुप्त है, जिसे प्रभु का अनंत स्वरूप कहते हैं, वो प्रकट होने लगता है. Try to remain connected with the love of God in the style we are learning. Then we will realize full manifestation of God within, in the form of intuition, in the form of Kundalini power. अब दोनों पैरों को बाहों के बीच में समेट लें. Now place both legs within arm. Feel head to toes more and more. सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक स्वरूप में और एकाग्रता बढ़ाते जाए. जो भी अनुभव हो रहा है, इसी अनुभूति को स्वीकार करें. निराकार परब्रह्म की यह अलौकिक उपस्थिति है. यही स्वीकार करना, यही विचार, यही भावना प्रभु का प्रेम है. Head to toes changes within breath, vision in the space around forehead, whatever we feel, accept all presence of formless, omnipresence spirit. Oneness with this idea, thought and concept is called oneness with love of God. अब धीरे धीरे ढीला करें. कैसे ढीला हो रहा है अनुभव करें. Now relax slowly, observe course of relaxation. जो ढीलेपन की अनुभूति है यह भी वही है. State of relaxation we feel is the same. फिर पैर को फैलाएं. Again extend both legs. With the double breathing, stretch all parts and relax. Practice 3 times. 2 बार में श्वास प्रश्वास का अभ्यास करते हुए अंगड़ाई लें और ढीला करें. और प्रतिपल जो अनुभव कर रहे हैं यही है परब्रह्म का प्रेम. यही विचार बना के रखें. इसी विचार के साथ रहें. यही विचार, यही भावना भी हो, यही धारणा भी हो, हम प्रभु के प्रेम से जुड़ गए हैं. अब सामान्य रूप में बैठें. सिट इन रेगुलर पोजीशन. ठुड्डी जमीन के समानांतर. चिन पैरेलल टू द ग्राउंड. और रोल टंग बैक. जीवा पीछे की तरफ उलट लें. Concentration of mind on Brahmad and on a space around forehead, keeping eyes closed. आंख बंद रखते हुए मन की एकाग्रता भ्रूमध्य पर, भ्रूमध्य के सामने क्षेत्र में. प्रतिपल जो भी हम अनुभव कर रहे हैं, प्रतिपल सभी प्रकार की अनुभूतियों को जब हम स्वीकार करते हैं, निराकार परब्रह्म इस रूप में है, इसी विचार, इसी भावना और धारणा को प्रभु का प्रेम कहते हैं. दोनों हथेली को सिर के पीछे रखें. Place both palm on the posterior surface of head. Curve head and spine towards right, left, backward, forward, and very comfortable way. दोनों हथेली को सिर के पीछे रखे हुए सिर और रीढ़ को दाहिनी तरफ, बाईं तरफ, पीछे की तरफ, आगे की तरफ इस तरह से झुकाएं, मोड़ें कि अच्छा लगे. Each and every moment, whatever we feel within head to toes, changes within breath, the vibration, vision in the space around forehead, the idea, thought and concept behind these things is this, that Parbrahm, formless God, is manifesting in this unique form, breath, head to toes, changes within, and the vibration in the space around forehead. Oneness with this idea, thought and concept is called oneness with love of God. Observe breath, Bhrumad, the things we observe in this space around forehead, head and spine, head to toes, changes within. प्रभु के प्रेम से जुड़े रहें और remain connected with love of God. फिर हाथों को ऊपर उठाएं और raise arms up. फिर 2 बार में श्वास प्रश्वास के साथ हम अंगड़ाई ले और ढीला करें. With the double breathing, stretch all parts and relax. Practice 3 times. 3 बार दोहराएं. अब मेडिटेशन स्टैंड के साथ हम बैठेंगे, प्रभु के प्रेम का विस्तार करें। Now we will sit with meditation stand to expand love of God, to experience God in more expanded form. कान बंद करके जो सुनते हैं, ये जो ध्वनियां सुनाई पड़ती हैं, ये क्या है? इसको भी वही स्वीकार करे, निराकार परब्रह्म इस रूप में भी। When ears are closed, the vibration we listen, except the sound vibration is also visible presence of God, audible presence of God. When I accept this is called we are one with the love of God. कान बंद करके जब सुनते हैं, जब स्वीकार कर लेते हैं कि निराकार प्रभु इस तरह से भी है, यही है प्रभु के प्रेम के साथ जुड़ गए। कुछ पल के लिए एकाग्र हो जाए प्रभु के प्रेम में। प्रैक्टिस वननेस विद द लव ऑफ गॉड। Let us decide to practice oneness with love of God more and more. हम सुनिश्चित करें कि प्रभु के प्रेम से हम और जुड़े रहें, निरंतर जुड़ने का प्रयास करते रहें। बनत बनत बन जाई, करते करते एक दिन अनुभव होगा कि हमारे प्रभु के बीच दूरी है ही नहीं। Practice this again and again, then one day we will realize ultimate truth. There is no space between self and God. फिर से हम दो बार में श्वास से प्रश्वास का अभ्यास करते हुए अंगड़ाई लें और सब ढीला करें। Again, practice double breathing. Stretch and relax all parts. Let us bow down to our devotion we have in Kriya Yoga meditation. क्रिया योग में अपनी भक्ति को नमन करें। Now we will sit and open eyes, return to original position. पूर्व स्थिति में आ जाए। अब देखिए, जो आप सुने हैं, वैज्ञानिक होंगे तो इसका अभ्यास करेंगे, सिद्ध करेंगे कि गलत है, सिद्ध करके दिखाइए। और सिद्ध करने चलेंगे, समस्या ही खत्म हो गई। इसलिए अभ्यास में आइए, सोच के मत जानने का प्रयास करिए कि सही है कि गलत है, क्या है। हर चीज़ जो सुनिए, अभ्यास करिए। फिर हम लोग मिलेंगे शाम को। नाउ मीट इवनिंग।